Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the new Treasure Track season in Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the Treasure Track is back. We are on the 5th season now, and this one is called Legends of Dragon Isle. The theme is sort of like a fire versus ice theme, that's what it says in the CDN. Let's go ahead and look at the rewards. Also, I really like this. The Shadow Dragon looks super cool. So we can see that there is going to be Blaze Bloom, there is going to be Shiver and Scorch, and there is the egg, which I have already gotten. And then you also get, I can't remember what this one is called either. There's a bunch of Magicoin in it. We have some currencies. We have a new firework that is called the Dragon Works. We have a new morph, which is called the Campfire Morph Marble, but for some reason right now it shows mittens. There's some new pet gear, like the Emerald Scales, which by a 44 power bonus is pretty good for an uncommon, I think. There's the Ice Cube, a lot more Magicoin. There's some house items that you can get again, like Chill and Char Ice and Fire, Chill and Char Ice and Fireplace. So some house items that could only be gotten in the Mythical Epic subspace have come back. Or not Mythical Epic, just Epic subspace. There's a Chef Hat, which heart bonus 47. A water balloon with a power bonus of 30. This frozen gold with a heart bonus of 66. There's a firefighter's helmet with a heart bonus of 51. Is Peak Peck, which got a new sprite and icon. Shiver and Scorch, I don't know if they updated it to legendary or not as a buddy, but they did make it, or it's been legendary as a pet. If we keep going, there is the Magmischief Clock and the Chill and Char Guitar. There is Member Mimic, there is the Smelter's Pendant, the Campfire, which this one looks really cool, does a heart bonus 62. There's a lot of Dragon Works in this. Then you can get the Stuffed Dragon, Lava Puck, which can be obtained in the Dragon Isle already. The Fireball with a power bonus 61, that's pretty good. Coin stack 64 hearts, that's pretty good. And then we have Blaze Bloom, which here it is. Blaze Blooms love to come out at night, especially when it's foggy, to dance amongst the trees of their forest homes. Their mystical flames glow brighter and spin around them, creating a mesmerizing sight for those lucky enough to witness it. So yeah, I will show the attack animation in a few seconds. I've already posted a short about it yesterday. Then there's the Treasure Chest mount with a power bonus 90, power bonus, or defense bonus of 90. I do wish that we did get a power bonus 90 and a heart bonus 91. Guess that would be really good. It would probably be the best mount in the game. And then we also have the gold coin mount, which I don't really like. It does a heart bonus of 40, and it says hop on this floating magical gold coin to look for even bigger treasures across the world of Prodigy. I kind of feel like the coin is a bit small, that's why I don't like it. It just looks really weird. They also made an update where if you just, complete one thing, then it will automatically get you your points, which is good. There's no, claim thing anymore. They finally made it so that, now you only have to earn 250 pet stars, which is good. That's going to make these a lot easier. And then the bonuses will come in 20 days, so we're gonna have to wait to get some of the rewards. Now we are going to go ahead and look at Blaze Bloom. Here is Blaze Bloom. It is a fire element, which we were hoping it would be Shadow, but it's not. So it does Fire Barrage, that's its attack animation. It does Firestorm, Eruption, and Bramble Chain. So its spells are pretty bad, and its only really good stat is power. So overall, I'd say Blaze Bloom is not a very good pet. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.